Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the crazy cat lady here, coming right back at you. How you doing? All right, I don't know if you're on an angle or not, so how's everybody doing? I got another haul for you. So, let's get into this. Now, I had to pick up something that I ordered in a party, and I finally got it. There was a couple of items missing, but that's no big deal. I'm still doing the haul because I don't know how long that's gonna take. So I got a Pamper chef haul. Woo, woo. So I got a Pamper chef haul. So in this haul, I love Pamper Chef. I decided to order a few things that I need for one thing and want. So I got a silicone cover. So let's take it out and look at it, shall we? So how's everybody doing today? Oh, look at a silicone cover. Look at this. And this will fit on any round dish. Isn't that cool? So I got a silicone cover. So that will come really in handy. I got a can strainer. Now this is an ultimate must you need. A can strainer. So you put this, when you open up a can, you'll stick it on the can, and then you can strain it without have to use the can lid and then, you know, get cut and everything else. So you stick it on the can and you drain it. So I got this. This is awesome. I mean, who needs this? This is, when I saw this, I said I have to get it, because every time you're opening up the can and then you can cut your fingers, and no, it is not gonna happen. So I got this. This is really awesome. My son's saying licorice. Give me some licorice. So yes, look at this. So this is really, really cool. And another thing that I always need is tongs. So I was like, I'll get another good set of tongs, because I, you know, been barbecuing, using tongs for, oh, these are nice. And they have rubber at the end. Look at this. Oh my God, this is so nice. Now, how do we do this on this? But I love the rubber. Oh my God, look at this. And it has like slots for the grease. I don't know if I can get a good shot of that. See? Come on. Focus. So let's see. It's, oh! Okay, I'm here. I feel so dumb right now. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to open these things, and look at, that's all I have to do. That is simple, and they're small, and just, wait, hold on, okay. So you can do this, tongs, for like bacon or something small, or pick up a hot dog. Love these, look at this. So I definitely need these tongs. I got the stuff that I really, really, really need. And I got the ice cream. Oh, something's in front of me. Don't tell me spirit's in front. A lot of times what they say, get off the subject. A lot of times they say if your camera goes blurry, it means you have a spirit in front of your camera. So I got a spade, ice cream spade, to scrape the ice cream all around the ice cream bowl. And oh, I love this. See? So you can go like this, because I did get something in here that I might need to use. So look at ice cream spade. So you can kind of get it around the corners, you know. So I got that. And I got a cutting board. I'm not gonna unwrap it because you can see it's clearly a cutting board. Isn't that cool? It's a, oh, it has like a measurements too or something. Look at measurements. That's so cool. So I definitely needed a new measuring board. I have to get rid of one of the ones that is all like chopped up to hell. So I got a new measuring board. Okay, let me move all these guys. All right, and then this big daddy. All right, I'm excited for this one. Oh, Noah, can you get me a pair of scissors so I can open it up? Okay. Okay, this big daddy. Guess what it is? I need scissors, please. It is ice cream maker. I finally got one, and I helped a friend out to reach her goal. It is like, I can't wait to open this. I've been waiting. Sorry about that. I've been waiting for ice cream. Okay. Let's open this up. Okay. Dying. See what is inside of this. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It is really nice and packed. I'm gonna bring closer. I'll bring it closer. Let's see this. See, it's nice and packed. Okay. Sorry about that. Now it's blurry again. So I have maybe a little instructions. Oh, how to cure. Basic vanilla ice cream recipe. Heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, whole milk, so I gotta buy whole milk for this, sugar and vanilla extract. How simple that is. I wonder if they have like a real, alright, so I'm gonna end up making space on my counter for the ice cream machine, because I'm not keeping it in the box because I wanted to make it pretty. Okay. Oh, I thought it would have more instructions, but they don't. Okay, let's put this down here. All right, so let's see. Ooh. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay. Then, let's open this up. This is nice. And the bottom, I'm gonna get some more Stu Leonard's ice creams, and what I'm gonna do is when I'm done, you know, mixing each different flavor, I could put it in the Stu Leonard's bucket. So this, oh, this is pretty easy. Oh, wait, you gotta attach this to this. This is the whipper. Okay. Oh, this is neat. Oh, that's it. That's it. It's all set. This is so cool. Very, very, and it's not a big thing. So what you can do is, this will fit into probably a Stu Leonard's container. So this week I'm gonna buy a couple of Stu Leonard's ice creams, and then empty them out, and then make my own ice cream. That is so cool. Look at this. So all you do with this, if you're interested in the Pamper Chef model, all you do is twist it like that, and then you twist it back. That's it. Easy. Easy peasy. And look at how easy that is. There's the controllers on it. Just a couple of things you gotta press. Timer, power, and that's it. A timer, power. That's all you need. And they have a little bit of instructions, but what I could do is always go online and get ice cream instructions. You know, let me see if they have a different flavor. I really want, what is this? No, that's, okay, that's Spanish or something. Nope, I don't want Spanish. So I got the parts. They show you all the parts and everything. You know, I got it because A, it's small, and I figured, I just happened to say, well, where am I gonna put the ice cream? And then I happened to buy a Stu Leonard's ice cream. I don't think I have it up there. I think I put it away. And then I said, wow, that's a perfect size to whip up a batch, put it in there, and put it in the freezer. See? You can reuse the plastic. You can reuse containers when you get it like that for ice cream. So like if you even go to, but you have to make a lot though, Sam's Club, and they get the big container of it, the vanilla chocolate strawberry one, you can save it and use it for stuff. I did save a couple of those, but this is small and I would have to like do, I think, 2 batches by the time I fill that thing up. So no, that's just basic vanilla they give you here. That's all they give you. That's okay, because I'll go online. Thank God for the internet. I'll tell you right now. So I'm going to get rid of all of this. Well, actually, no. I'm going to keep it for now. And just in case if it don't work or whatever. But I'm going to keep this on my counter. I'm going to have to make room, I think, over by my mixer. I'm going to put my ice cream maker, because I have a mixer. I'm going to take all that wine out and put the wine somewhere else. I do have an area for wine, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that was my unboxing of, I like this, of the Pamper Chef. I figured like put it over a bowl, you know, instead of plastic, or because I have bowls that probably could fit this, and you just slick it on, and it's silicone. This is really cool. I thought this would be cool to use. And next time somebody, and I do have measuring cups from Pamper Chef that lift up for the solids. I got a small one and another big one. Because the big one that I have, if you know anything about Pamper Chef, it's like a tube, and then you can put the heart, like stuff, like flour or whatever, and then you can push it up from the bottom. And it's kind of like a push-up, you know. So I got that a long time ago, and I end up using it just for coffee. And I was like, I need 2 more. They had a small one, which I don't know if they had the small one before, and then the larger one. So that's on back order. I'm gonna be getting that. But other than that, that's the only things I got from Pamper Chef. So I hope you enjoyed this Pamper Chef haul. I was like, I may as well make a video and show you all what this is, you know? So yeah, that's my Pamper Chef haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and remember to hit that thumbs up, smash that like button, and hit those notifications. If you're not subscribed and you're watching, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything. Subscribe to my channel. So, I love you all. Have a great day, and be safe out there.
Okay, so he's gonna listen back and see what he got.
So let's see if we can get a picture.
Let me know if you got anything. I'm gonna come down there and film it. He's listening.
He's so cute. There's Scooter. He's right over there.
Common spheroid called that's another zone shows a lot of promise.
There's Scooter. Hi. Look at him cute. That little baby. Yeah. Cuter. Well, tell him to be quiet because I got Scooter here.
She's talking to Aunt Lucy.
Well, tell him not to come in here loud.
The chipmunk.
The chipmunk, he's sitting here. He's like being all friend.
¿Lo ves? Sí, no, la ardillita, mira que está comiendo.
Oh, look at.
He's looking for nuts.
He's looking for his nut.
Ve, le pone su manía ahí para que venga.
You have a dirty
Look at.
mom.
¿A mí se puede acercar esto?
Pero son bien rápidas, ¿no?
He's so cute. Hi, baby. Hey, look at, he's looking. He's coming close. I can't.
Se emociona con su amigo, pero le está filmando.
Here he is. Look
Su
at.
mamá atrás.
Lucho, he's coming close. He came really close. He's so cute. He came really close. Sorry about being close. But he came really close. I gotta get the nuts out there right now.
Está hablando de su vida.